Hello and welcome to Mount It. My name is Tyler and today I'll be showing you how to properly install MI-2751NB. Let's jump right into it. Once the box is open, you'll find an instruction manual, 2 boxes, and then the arm. All right, let's go ahead and open up everything. We're gonna take the wrapping off of the arm. Go ahead and open up the boxes here. Inside you'll find the pole. Let's go ahead and undo the wrapping from the pole. Place this over here. Let's go ahead and open up the last box. Inside here is going to be the VESA plate and all the mounting screws and everything that you need to properly install. So right here we got the base plate. We'll go ahead and take that out of the wrapping. Here we have the VESA plate. We'll go ahead and open this. Cut away from myself. Kind of looks like a ninja star, doesn't it? And then we got the clamp here. We're gonna go ahead and take the clamp out. Now we got the back plate as well. Go ahead and take that out. And lastly, we have all the tools that we're going to need. One thing I forgot to mention about our product is actually there's 2 ways to properly install it. The way that we're going to be doing today is actually the C-clamp style, where you clamp it onto the back of the desk or to the side of the desk. And then the other way, which I'll show you in a different video, is how to install it through a grommet. So basically the hole in your desk for cable management and all that, you'll actually be able to install it through that hole. All right, now that we have everything unpacked, we're gonna go ahead and grab the instruction manual. We're gonna open it up. Right here, it shows you all the supplied parts list. That's what was A through G here, and I actually went ahead and unpackaged it already so I can just easily grab what I need. For step 1, we're gonna go ahead and take the pole and the C-brace and attach the pole to the C-brace. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the 3 bolts that are in the pole already, just unscrew them, and we're gonna attach it to the back of the C-brace. So we're gonna take the C-brace, put it up here, and I'm just gonna hand screw the bolts into the pole, and then once they're nice and a little bit tight, we're gonna finish it off with the provided Allen key wrench. Next thing what we are going to do, we are gonna grab the C-clamp and place it onto the C-brace with the M8x12 bolts. We can now take the mounting arm and place it onto the pole. If the hole is a little bit too tight, just go ahead and take your Allen key wrench and loosen it up so it fits on the pole. Okay, now that the arm is on the pole itself, let's go ahead and actually attach the pole to the desk now. So we're just gonna lower our C-clamp down and place it onto our desk and then tighten it right back up. Let's just grab the VESA plate, place it over the holes on the back of the monitor, and let's hand screw them in at first. Now we'll just go ahead and screw them in. You will actually need a screwdriver to screw the screws into the VESA plate. Now just a heads up that our monitor mount actually works with curved monitors as well, and inside in our supplied parts list, they come with spacers, and all you would do is just place them on the back of your monitor where the holes line up and basically put your VESA plate on top of those spacers, and that's how it would work on a curved monitor. So now that we have our VESA plate installed to our monitor, we are going to move on to step 4 by actually placing the monitor onto the stand. So it's easy. All you do is just grab this back plate, make sure that it's upright. Now we're gonna grab our monitor, and there we go. Actually, one thing I forgot to do is you gotta undo this screw up here, or the bolt. So all you do is just undo that. It's a safety feature. And now we can place the monitor over and on top. There we go. And then you grab the nut and screw it right on. And there you have it. That's how you properly install our single monitor desk mount. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.